The James Webb Space Telescope, also alluded to as JWST or JWST, is an enthusiastic trailblazer that has uncovered exceptional insights concerning stars, planets, universes, and other enchanting, immense characteristics, as well as setting new standards for coherent examination. JWST is hailed as the regarded Hubble Space Telescope replacement. People from one angle, ultramodern the planet to the next, are exchanging photographs or using unrefined realities to make new stories pass close by us on the cosmic expedition. 3 minutes sooner, James Webb stuck the most extreme, over-the-top disturbing picture at any point found in history. 365 days have outperformed for the explanation that why James Webb Space Telescope uncovered its absolute first key photograph current the universe, awe-inspiring stargazers universally with its splendid central point. Yet its cutting-edge finding is in phenomenal photograph present-day the universe that we have in no way, shape, or form seen before. Then, what has been seen such a long ways via the James Webb Space Telescope is proposing additional requests than addresses. Specialists, as the substitute to the Hubble telescope, have uncovered new insights, roughly celebrity progress universe arrangements and the early universe. Only 1 month after the fact, the concealed pics were conveyed. The pics were wonderful, revealing the universe comprehensively. Beginning subsequently, the some ultramodern revelations has taken contemporary, giving specialists a giant information mother load. James Webb Space Telescope impressions popular self-important tarantulas record-breaking region smoke. Stars close their critical impacts and other radiant things have been recorded. This satellite observatory improvement grants us to peer farther into the region than prior, uncovering previously faint nuances roughly the universe. A new length in cosmology has spread out on account of the PIC, which can be facilitated as a procedure for spotting the essential a year. Most recent, the James Webb Space Telescope's movement, NASA conveyed an image showing a piece-renowned individual structure area inside the Rucci Cloud complex. The photograph demonstrates planes catching from baby stars as huge, harsh, cutting-edge, unmistakable assortments influence nuclear hydrogen, which makes up the Ruby Endures presents ultramodern. A circumstellar plate expands various inquiries on the capacity for planet improvement in the past. According to NASA, this first-class nursery is small and serene in correlation with others. Large numbers contemporary the young stars in this nearby are about the aspect present-day our Sun or altogether more humble. Making it the closest megastar shaping locale to Earth, this photograph became stuck with the guide of the pivotal Digicam, state-of-the-art, the observatory, the Webb Space Telescope's close to infrared advanced camera, which gets close to home pictures in 2 extraordinary infrared reaches all at the same time as, besides, the Hubble Space Telescope has overhauled our records on exoplanets or universes that circle stars other than our Sun. James Webb is especially equipped for considering a long-way current universes. The satellite television for PC Observatory considered to be its first exoplanet, LHS 475b, cutting edge the beginning present day 2023. The planet is 41 light-years away and has an expansiveness equivalent to Earth as in accordance with NASA. JJ Webb is the as-it-were functional telescope in shape for sequencing the air in vogue Earth-sized exoplanets. The experts obligated for the assess foundation that made the revelation saw how real the telescope was. Unsavory exoplanets are at present another desert for stargazers to examine. After that, the James Webb Telescope found proof of the present classic enormous frameworks that from a speculative point of view shouldn't have existed. The EAB current Swindon School and its worldwide association have found 6 monar-old universes called universe breakers, likely changing our appreciation current room. These Goliath universes might have shaped among 500 to 700 million years after the enormous explosion using the telescope's infrared sensors. Specialists can assume back in time around 13.5 billion years to when stars and inestimable frameworks have been substantially more young. The massive length present day the universe breakers has left specialists vehicle alert frameworks in the early universe ought to have been 10 to multiple times less enormous than these revelations supported, exhibiting that those 6 contraptions are likely billions ultramodern cases heavier than our Sun. The sum state of the art stars in a single universe might be 100 billion times heavier than our Sun based seeing such large substances, testing our observations. However, imaginative movements planned for planets that are unreasonably tremendous for their children have left subject matter experts jumbled. One such disclosure is a planet contemplated unreasonably huge for its sun-oriented, terrifying a reassessment of the present our appreciation. best-in-class planet improvement and planetary system setup as in line with models made via stargazers. A planet various times greater than Earth transformed into respected as in a planetary structure around the ultra-cool star LHS 3154, which is basically extra unassuming than our child. Previously, experts didn't take conveyance of any such arrangement was initial. Anyway, new proof shows that the biggest planet in our sunlight. T-based system circle, one of the universe's most diminutive, what's more, coolest stars in ultra-cool Pee-wee. This finding suggests we have a great deal to learn about the universe. The present day, this extensive planet challenges our assumptions since it circles a superstar with a generally lower mass than expected for one of these planets. These stars would perhaps have shaped in huge fuel and soil fogs, and planets could shape from the extra texture in the plate around the kid star. However, it turned into, at this point, not typical that the planet-framing plates around low-mass stars like LHS 3154 could integrate adequate strong mass to shape this sort of gigantic planet. This assumes us to re-examine our speculations on superb and planetary improvement. A valuable similitude appears to be on the genius to a pit fire to safeguard up with warmth. Since the chimney's temperature lessens, you need to move closer to the truth that dream makes planets practically identical to those be adequately hot to support liquid water. They should be closer to their stars for variety. Earth is in the focal point of the reasonable zone. The water also heat it gets from the sun's dynamic planets in our planetary association are either unnecessarily a long way or unnecessarily near getting the right level of gentle to help ways of life. Now imagine a universe with an extremely cool genius, extremely much like moving more like an outdoors hearth. Planets circumnavigating a cool celebrity ought to be arranged to get a fitting proportion of profundity and gentle to help life. The expansiveness of the planet circle must, in like manner, be changed in agreement to give the palatable distance for enthusiasts and gentle. Returning to our past verbal exchange, there are different theories with respect to why this planet designed close to the Little Me star. As shown by one extensively held conviction, the planet might have been out and out larger before everything, dropping an enormous ultramodern its mass over an extended time. However, this hypothesis has an imperfection on the grounds that losing mass causes a planet to lose more fuel than solids. Assuming the planet's mass transformed into fundamentally gases, it could struggle with cutting-edge disclosures. Another legitimization is that the huge planet structures close to the little prominent individual, assuming the planet kept far away from the little star without getting ultramodern gentle, it could altogether probability be ice-covered. The star could ultimately gravitationally attract the some distance most recent planet, coming roughly in the enormous planet being close to the little star, not enduring possible explanations. Specialists are as yet ill-suited to completely decide out the eccentricity. However, with cutting-edge innovation like JWST, specialists are right now inspecting planetary systems in more detail. Each new finding pushes how we may interpret the universe further. Over recent months, we have dove further into how the universe has molded then in the beyond 30 years. The astonishing degree current realities from the telescope has proactively prompted fundamental sensible progress, momentous cosmologists, and lighting leisure activity in future region research. With the James Webb Space Telescope working for a here-now, one issue is certain: the universe is unquestionably more marvelous than we recently envisioned. Furthermore, there are numerous requests to be tended to the disclosures through the James Webb Space Telescope JWST protect on uncovering the universe's critical unpredictability, testing our past information, and presenting new correspondence starters for cosmologists. One fundamental area spic and span-side interest is the point BYO thought contemporary exoplanets, specifically those with conditions that might need to maintain life. The telescope's capacity to assortment the air's current Earth-sized exoplanets grants specialists to look for advanced notice signs, cutting-edge water, methane, and ONI off-pointed promotion fundamental for life. This ability essentially overhauls our knowledge into planetary structures and their actual limit with regards to reasonableness. Moreover, the JWST examination cutting-edge ancient frameworks, as an occasion the universe breakers, gives bits of stylish ability into the early universe's improvement and progression. These huge global universes, which face up to current theoretical models, recommend that the universe's underlying current exercises transformed into more strong and complex than previously idea. The telescope's capability to think returned in time, getting light from stars and universes that existed billions current years sooner, makes a contrast to grasp the cycles that form the universe. One more prominent enchanting part condition of the JWST mission is its examination contemporary big-name advancement and the interstellar medium. The telescope's discernments contemporary regions very much like the cloud perplexing and the Carina cloud view as the troublesome nuances popular large-name start and the circumstances in which stars and planets structure through monitoring the planes out from child stars and the blend brand new incorporating fuel and buildup. Specialists gain indispensable realities around the event is significant for hotshot and planet course of action. The JWST moreover adds to our cognizance contemporary.